Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to send money from Coinbase to another wallet. So the first step you need to do is go to the wallet of Coinbase, and here you need to pick here in the button of receive. So in this part, if you want to send, for example, Bitcoin, you need to copy the direction of your wallet of Bitcoin. So you pick here and you got the copy to clipboard. And now you got in your paper you have your direction of the wallet of Bitcoin. So after that you need to go to the Coinbase app, and so this is a business account. This is a test account, so I can't finish the process. So the only thing you need to do after that, you need to go to the Coinbase app here, and you need to put in pay, and here, and you need to paste the direction of your wallet and put how much you can send. For example, USDT, but in Bitcoin, how much you can transfer in Bitcoin. So this is the process. It's an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.